Today's vlog is all about me spending a day alone, a solo date, because honestly, we all need it once in a while. I wanted to dress up a little, grab a cup of coffee, eat something nice, and just take things slow. No rush, no pressure, just a calm day with myself. Sometimes being alone isn't lonely, it's actually kind of beautiful. So here's a day of me enjoying my own company. I'm almost ready for the day. Super excited and little nervous because it's been really long since I traveled all alone or spent a day all by myself. Definitely stepping out of comfort zone, so thought of taking you guys along. And by the way, I'm wearing this super cute top that I got from Flipkart. I will leave a link down in case you want to check it out. And pairing it with a basic black jeans, I will give you a OOTD check later. This is the bag that I'm going to be carrying as it's really big, so it will fit all the essentials for the day. Camera stand because I'll be filming throughout. An umbrella. I know it's sunny right now, but we never know the weather in Pune. My journal and a pen. A water bottle. Lipstick shade that I'm wearing. A sanitizer and a hand cream. That's it. I can spend entire day with this stuff. Okay, so let's get the day started. I am at Dona Cucina right now. It's one of my favorite places to have pasta. और मैंने ऑलरेडी ऑर्डर प्लेस कर लिया है तो इट्स बिन रियली लॉन्ग सिंस आई जर्नल लुक एंड आई लव जर्नलिंग तो मैंने सोचा मेरा ऑर्डर आने तक आई जस्ट राइट डाउन माई थाट्स हाउ आई एम फीलिंग एंड व्हाट आई वांट टू डू सो आई डू दैट राइट नाउ एन अपडेट ऑफ व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट एक पिंक वाला दिखाइएगा As you can tell, I'm in a park right now. It's 5:33. My day is going pretty well. FC पे बहुत चलना पड़ गया था and I did end up indulging into some shopping. तो घर जाके मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. I did not pick many things but दो तीन चीज़ें ही ली हैं तो वो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. And the guys they were so nice. They were so kind. उन्होंने literally मेरा चैनल भी सब्सक्राइब किया. It really made me feel good. और I don't know, I mean it's nice to spend some time alone. और पता है like right now I'm sitting in a park and talking to a camera, like vlogging for you guys. This is very out of my comfort zone. I'm even getting some judgy looks, like people are looking at me as if you know I'm some weirdo. But अगर ये चीज़ मैं पहले करती तो I guess मैं शायद नहीं कर पाती. But now I'm finding that comfort in vlogging, तो I'm liking to even vlog in public. और मेरा काफ़ी अच्छा प्लान है सो आई लाइक लिटरली प्लान दिस डे ओके बिकॉज मुझे ऐसे नहीं चाहिए था कि मैं कहीं जाके बोर हो जाऊँ तो ये इतना बड़ा जो मैंने बैग लाया है आई हैव फन स्टफ ऑल्सो इन दिस सो आई हैव दिस मंडाला पेंटिंग बुक दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम मार्केट 99 आई गेस एंड आई हैव सो मैनी कलर्स तो अभी मैंने सोचा जस्ट टू गेट दैट you know peaceful time and me time so I'll start coloring. I don't like painting but I do enjoy coloring so I don't know, I plan on coloring these doodles or a mandala depending on time I get एंड आई गेस इसके बाद आई गो फॉर अ कॉफ़ी और मे बी समथिंग, बट आई लेट यू नो. So I am done with coloring. Can you see? So pretty. And it was so therapeutic. Literally nature, sound, kids running here and there. Love it. Try it for yourself. Almost forgot to give you an OOTD check. Hi you guys, as you can tell I'm at Starbucks. So firstly Shrey, if you're watching this, I miss you because यहाँ पे हम लोग साथ में आने वाले थे. So every time we would pass from this road, क्योंकि ये ना Starbucks थोड़े congested होते हैं we feel. तो ये वाला ना ज़्यादा spacious है and बहुत ही greenery है and the ambience is pretty nice. So every time we pass by this road and Shrey mentions कि यार मोनिका इधर चलो, इधर आना है. But today I ditched you and I came, so sorry for that. And तुम्हारा एक treat pending है इधर के लिए ही. And I got a cappuccino for myself because I'm on periods and cramps हो रहे थे, तो I just thought of having something hot. तो इसीलिए मैं इधर आ गई because it's very close to my house. So यहाँ से I can just take an auto and go home because आज मैं गाड़ी से नहीं आई हूँ, तो मेट्रो बस वगैरह में अब I'm tired because I walked a lot. And I will just enjoy my cappuccino right now, go home and summarize the day for you guys, and I'll journal for a bit because I am liking, क्योंकि thoughts ना ऐसे बहुत easily flow कर रहे हैं mind में. Hi again, I'm back home and oh my god, such crazy day. Seems like Bellu literally missed me a lot. Can you see? She's just, wanting to be around me. And I'm like actually tired from the day because it was really fulfilling, crazy, long, whatever you want to call it. But we will summarize about my day later on once I get freshen up. Before that, I wanted to give you that quick FC Road haul. It's a very mini haul, but yeah, like I promised, I'm gonna show you things I bought. So, starting off with these sunglasses, I got these for 130 rupees. Super cool. I don't know, there's something about these cheap glasses that ये ना महंगे वाले से ज़्यादा अच्छे दिखते हैं I feel. And next I bought this keyring for Shrey Golu, as he loves keychains and he's a Naruto Paglu. So I bought this keychain. He always loves these tiny keychains, okay? He doesn't want his pocket to look bulky. So. And last thing that I picked for myself is this white shirt. Can you see this minimal print going on here? It looks really pretty. This white shirt, blue denims, and a pair of sneakers. Perfect. Like literally perfect. So I will just go freshen up and talk to you guys. Guys, I just took shower and I did indulge into skincare as well. So सबसे पहले तो I did my face wash of course, क्योंकि इतना मट्टी हो गया था पूरा दिन I was out. And I did face scrub also और थोड़ा steam भी ले लिया, so my face looks really nice now. And I thought of talking to you guys while applying my face mask. I'll just take the hair out of my way. Okay, so regarding the experience for today, by the way, I'm using this Kesar Chandan mask from Joy. I love this face mask. Like, there hasn't been a single weekend, at least from past 2 months, कि मैंने ये नहीं किया हो. But anyway, so talking about my experience,
Oh my god, it was really nice. I don't think so. It's been almost like an year. I took myself on a date. मैं हमेशा मेरे मम्मी बहन या श्रेय के साथ ही जाती हूँ. That is also fun in its own way, but being alone all by myself, taking care of myself, enjoying my own company, it's so empowering. Like, I feel I'm gonna do it once in 2 months or maybe once in 3 months. Overpromise myself, but I plan on doing that. But I plan on doing that frequently because I really felt so good, and I don't know, like I just did things very randomly. I attended this exhibition. I mean, pictures were not allowed, or even taking videos was not allowed, so I couldn't film it for you guys. But it was very near to the park that I visited, तो मैं उधर भी चली गई थी. And it was so random of me. मैं कभी भी बाहर जाती हूँ तो I always have a plan in place. I did plan things today as well. इसीलिए मैं मेरे बैग में सब कैरी करके गई थी. So I was entertained throughout the day, and it was so good being able to spend a day alone and not missing anyone's company. So yeah, that's something really great. आई गेस इवन यू शुड ट्राई इट. आई मीन, आप जब अकेले जाते हो तो आप क्या करते हो? व्हाट्स द बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू डू सो दैट आई कैन ट्राई इट नेक्स्ट टाइम मे बी एंड ब्लॉग इट फॉर यू गाइस अगेन. तो कमेंट्स में नीचे बता देना. और ऑल्सो ना, ये ज़रूरी भी था बिकॉज बहुत ही हेक्टिक हो गई है लाइफ, और अभी तो और हेक्टिक होने वाली है बिकॉज ऑफ द शॉपिंग, देन दिवाली का सब सफाई एंड एवरीथिंग. दिवाली शॉपिंग, ब्राइडल शॉपिंग जो चालू है, तो आई रियली वॉन्टेड दैट डे ऑफ from everything and everyone. So glad that I was able to plan it well, and really feel good about that day. So yeah, I guess ignore the way that I look, but I guess that's it for this vlog. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye.